Fuck my fans. And fuck Brent. And fuck everyone. And fuck Grammy Norm yes or hair no. I'm going to shit on his car ha 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 ha. Let's steal this car ha 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 ha.
Hey, get back here with my car, faggot. Come on, Brent. We need to get our car and ground him for 9,999,999,999 years. Let's go.
Hello. Someone has just stolen my car. Send cops.
Come on, I have to get away and steal this damn car.
You're under arrest, faggot.
What?
How dare you steal my car? You're grounded for 3287321321322 years. Go to your room fucking now.
What?